Welcome to the second class of Motion Graphic Basic. So in this class, we will discuss about anchor point, solids and text. The anchor point is a specific point within the layer, typically represented by a small crosshair icon. It is reference point around which transformations occur. Whenever you create a layer, by default, the anchor point is always in the middle, but in case if it's not in the middle, we need to click Ctrl and double click here on this icon. So after that, as I scale up this video layer, it scales around this anchor point. But if I move this point using our pen behind tool here and move it over here, we can now see the layer is scaling around this new point. That's simple concept, but it's very important. Always know where the anchor point is for each layer. When you work with lots of layers or more complicated scenes, you might see that your animation are not moving the way you want. That's because the anchor point has either been moved or is not in the right place. You can move the anchor point with the pen behind tool according to your need. So here I have a simple scaled text animation. And you can see I changed the anchor point position where it grows for 3 times and the animation is looking good. Now let's talk about solid. So solid refers to a solid color layer that can serve various purposes in your composition like backgrounds, color correction and grading, creating graphics, 3D composition, etc. And I can create one by right clicking on my timeline. Solid fill the entire screen and are very useful for when you want to create a new background for your animation or for your video project. With a solid layer selected, I can come up to the layer and down to solid setting and I can customize the color how I would like. And the shortcut for solid layer is Ctrl Y. Then we can easily generate the solid layer. Now let's talk about text. Creating text is straightforward. As you already know, simply click on the top tool screen and then click and drag anywhere in the main window to generate the text. After writing my text, I double click on the text to highlight the text and navigate to the character menu on the right hand side. If character menu is not there, so simply click on the window option and make sure character is selected. Now you have the flexibility to customize the text, adjusting parameters such as color, size, font in this window. For a quick animation, utilize the text animation preset available on the right hand side. Simply click and drag them onto the text layer to effortlessly create an animation. Pressing U reveals keyframe, allowing you to fine-tune and reposition them according to your desired timing. So that's all. Brief look at the anchor point, solids and text. If you have any question about this, please feel free to comment below and make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.